Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you the new updated way on how to change your nickname and the nicknames of other people on your server on Discord because they just changed it. So I guess this is like the late 2021 how-to video on how to do that. So to change your nickname on your server or whatever server, all you have to do is find your name. The sidebar is a great place to do that. In my case, I'm the top here, and I'll just go to edit. And you might notice that change nickname or edit nickname doesn't appear in the right click options anymore. That doesn't mean that you don't have the ability to change your nickname. It just means that it's been changed to the edit server profile section. So if you click on that, it'll bring up whatever you want your server profile nickname to be. Let's just say, I'll just be like Dave from accounting. And then I can click save. And if you have Nitro, you can actually upload specific avatars to a bunch of different servers so that you can have like a different persona, completely different persona on a bunch of different servers to kind of mix and match. And then if I hit save, you'll see up here it says Dave from accounting, and now my nickname has been changed. Similarly, if I find somebody here like Cave Johnson, I can still right click and say change their nickname because I'm not editing their profile. So that one will still look the same if you're editing somebody else's nickname, at least for now. They might change that so it's also hidden behind edit server profile. So if you don't see that on somebody else that you have the ability to edit their nickname, that's why. And if you want to revert the nickname at any time, you can just right click this, go back into the server profile and click reset nickname, and it'll just default it to whatever your name normally is on Discord. Then you can click save, and then bingo bango, you're all done. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has just been a brief look at how to change your nickname on various different servers on Discord, updated for the end of 2021. If you have any questions about how this works or anything else related to Discord, let me know in the comments section below, or we have a Discord, as you can see in the background. Pop in, you can hang out, ask questions, all that good stuff. So bye, everybody, and have a good one.